The footer is an essential part of your online store. How we can get started with this? Welcome back to Express. Let's see how we can get started with a footer inside your actual button of your store. It's a crucial tool for navigation and information whether you're just starting out, so let's get started. First of all, a well-designed footer can significantly enhance your user experience. It is a place to offer additional navigation, display contact information, linking in social media, or even showcases visual offers. A good footer supports your store overall usability and accessibility. So let's see how we can create an actual effective footer for your Shopify store. First of all, let's access your Shopify theme. I'm going to go back here. And the very first thing I wanted to do is to log into my Shopify Administrator dashboard, then navigate to the online store section, and then clicked it on the actual themes. Then later on, what you wanted to do is to find the theme you're currently using for your actual store. Then click into Customize to open the theme editor. So now here we are navigating to the footer settings. And the theme editor, you wanted to scroll all the way down to the footer section of your store. So you can preview it. You'll see an option to customize your actual footer into the actual left and the right part. So what I want to do is to add content to my footer. Your footer can include various types of content such as menus. You can add text, social media links, newsletter, sign forms. To add content, just use the add section that appears in here. And you can go here into sections, email sign up. We have the application to see it much faster. We can add more blocks if you wanted to. Let's say, for example, that I wanted to add like a menu. There we go. We have the quick link searched. I can go for add blocked, brand information. I can add more text. I can add an image. And all of that should be, let's say, change it later into change menu, for example, main menu like this. Brand information. I can show social media icons if I wanted to. I'm going to hit down into save. Now customizing the layout and the design should be really easy. Just click outside the whole footer. And let's say, for example, that I wanted to change the scheme color for something like this, something much more attractive, right? So it looks kind of great so far. I can add a new block and add some text. For example, here. Our favorite product recommendations, like this. And this should be like a link for collections, Christmas wearables, and insert. There it goes. I'm gonna just delete this because I don't need it anymore. And it actually looks great so far. So I'm gonna go now here into save. And there we go. This is how you can add links and more information. Add important links, of course, like the about us, the contact. You can also include contact information, social media icons to connect with your customers, and all of that. But in my case, I'm going to just leave this like that. We do have something really easy. We have the contact information, we have the terms of services, the privacy policy, refunded, and all of that. So let's go here into preview and save your changes. So let's go here into the three dots. Let's go into view. Or even here into this page that we have something really easy. I'm gonna go into reload the page just to make sure that we have a new footer now. So check it out here. Here's our favorites. Here's the link searched here. Search. Let's go for tree, for example. It is actually working really great into my actual website. And there's how you do this, guys. And there you have it, guys. You have successfully set up a footer for your Shopify store. A well-crafted footer can significantly improve your customer experience and help your store navigation. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tips, how you can get started here into the footer and more elements of Shopify. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can always see you next time.